Hey there, so a couple of weeks ago I posted that I did this 3D printed lock nut for my steering wheel on the Catalina 309. My problem is a couple of times I've had to take it off to fix my autopilot, and the clutch is easy because of course we never tighten it very much. So this comes off, that's the one, that's the clutch. In here is the screw, and it keeps unscrewing itself so it gets loose and I get a wiggle in the wheel. It is meant to be finger tightened, but that's just not enough, so I end up using a tool on it. What I did was I printed a tool that can stay on permanently. So if we take this off, I already released this because otherwise I would have to use a spanner and that wouldn't look very professional. But being old, and I've hit hammers on my fingers more than once, I don't like. So this thing fits right into here, and we're just gonna plop it right in. Now it fits. It's a little too deep, so I'm gonna adjust the print a little. But this then comes back on. We twist it on, and now we have a much more leverage. And that's on rock solid, and the clutch goes on top. And there you go. Now I can lock the clutch with my fingers, and I can also, when I unscrew the clutch, I can release this easily. So there you have it, a larger way, more leverage, more grip on the lock nut, the nut that holds your steering wheel in place on a Catalina 309.